The Satya Yuga as described in the Puranas. The Puranas describe that humans on the earth go through cycles lasting 4.32 million years each, divided into the Satya, Treta, Dvarpa and Kali Yuga periods. By the end of the last Kali Yuga, the earth was in a terrible state. At the beginning of the Satya Yuga that followed, the beginning of this cycle, the demigods, including Ishvaku Manu, came to earth and replenished it. That process began 3.87 million years ago until it phased into the Treta Yuga around 2 million years ago. It is understood that the earth was like a paradise then. Animals, vegetables and fruits were much larger than they are today, and there was no pollution. Humans or humanoids during that period were not primitive as propagated by evolutionary theory. During some periods there may have been a variety of so-called primitive races. However, there was also a population of highly divine humans, direct descendants of demigods, even if their population was small. Most notably, the Sun dynasty. Then, some sages could live up to 100,000 years by earthly calculations, and they were not restricted to the Earth planet. They could enter realms where time passes at a different rate before returning to the Earth. Sometimes they would use vimanas, spacecraft. During the Satya Yuga, the method of spiritual realization was obtained through extended periods of meditation and austerity. There were virtually no cities then. Cities began to manifest in the Treta Yuga with, for example, Ayodhya. Some say there is no hard evidence of advanced humans from that period. Well, that actually depends on which books you read. In the Puranic stories of the Prachetas, powerful progenitors of humankind, we read that they once entered the ocean and practiced austerities there for 10,000 years. When they emerged from the sea, they found that the entire world was full of trees. They became angry and began to burn them with the use of mystic fire and wind from their mouths. Of course, the creator, Lord Brahma, had to stop them in their tracks. In the Satya Yuga, there was no evil on earth, but asuras, demons, did exist in other parts of the universe. In previous Satya Yugas, Lord Vishnu incarnated as those, including the Matsya, Kurma, and the Shinga avatars, to deal with the asuras. However, the incarnation who appeared in the most recent Satya Yuga on this planet was Kapila Muni. He was the son of Devahuti and Kadama Muni and taught the devotional Sankhya philosophy, the analysis of matter and spirit as a means of cultivating devotional service to the Lord. Thanks for watching. Please share with others.